Hello, John Talley here with Partzilla.com, getting ready to put some new shoes on our 2017 Kawasaki ZX-14R. Now, the ones I decided to go with are the Pirelli Angel GT series. The Angel GT spec, well, it's been compared to some of those hyperbike tires that you're going to see out there, but it is specially formulated for use on what they consider to be a sport touring machine. And the A-spec, that means it's designed for a little bit heavier machines, such as the FJR 1300, the ZX-14, the ZX-1000, any of those along those lines. What they've managed to do is come up with a compound that not only has fantastic grip, it also does well in the rain. And with this deep groove that they have cut into it, it does a great job of dissipating the water and getting you a maximum contact patch with the road with this tire. Now, they were able to do that with a tire that's going to last a long time. So it's truly some talented engineers that were able to take all those parameters and wrap it up into one package like this. Well, now it's up to me to head over to the table, get those old worn out tires out of the way and get these new ones installed, and then go out and enjoy the ride.